Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to export the data from Excel workbook to HTML by using VBA macros. Before executing macro, I created a folder on my desktop. In that folder I placed a text document and a header image along with coding workbook. Now let's execute the program. Click on execute macro button. Select the text file. Click on open. At the end, application returns a message box as data exported from Excel to HTML. Click on OK. This is the HTML document. Now I am going to open this HTML document. Here we can find all the synonyms are exported from Excel to HTML. This is the complete code. You can download this file along with the HTML document from the link which is mentioned under this video. Hope this template is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.